Hi guys, this is Mark from Surfex. Just completed a epoxy flake system for a small workshop. Real happy with it. Turned out real well. We did it on a concrete spare surface. A lot of cracks and patching that needed to be done before the surface was done, but real happy with the end result. This customer chose salt and pepper, but there's a huge range of 20 plus flake colors you can choose from. Hard wearing, durable, chemical resistant, perfect for a hard working floor. Any questions on this system? We're more than happy to get back to you guys. You can get us on Facebook, Instagram, email, and we'll be happy to chat.